live from the USA, helping you get paid every day. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Thank you for joining us today. It's September 22nd. The market is still choppy. But there's a lot of money to be made. And just remember, scared money don't make none. If this is your first time tuning in, congratulations, baby. You are now rocking with the best. My name is BK. My friends know me as a crypto trader, and I am the boss of these charts, as you will soon find out. Every day I'm able to grace this microphone with my voice. Is another day somebody can profit as a result, and today is no exception. So with that being said, we are going to jump straight over into our chat for our question of the day. Every day I do a video is a day somebody got to get paid. And it's Friday, everybody. Hopefully the money came in. Hopefully you made some money on this market. Hopefully you bought Dash and you cashing out on Dash right now, because Dash is cash. So, being that it's Friday, Feel Good Friday, I just want to hear what you guys are doing. So the question of the day was, what are you looking forward to this weekend? How are you going to enjoy life? You know, how are you going to enjoy your time? What's going to make you smile this weekend? So what do we got? What do we got? There we go. Let's go with my man from Yellow said, watching his 6-year-old soccer game. That's pretty cool. I remember Saturday mornings going up playing flag football like 8 in the morning, just running around, not knowing what I was doing. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Thank you for sharing that. Thank you everybody, for sharing. It's a lot of people, just talking about hanging out, barbecue, enjoying time with the family, getting a puppy. Oh my God, Gabriel Ramirez, that's so cool. Ballet with my daughter, that's so cool. I wish I could pick everybody. This is cool. Having a birthday party, enjoying the hot weather, lurking the charts. Sounds like me. Yeah, so I'll enjoy that stuff with you guys. That's pretty cool. If you're in the Facebook group, make sure you take a picture and post it. Whatever you're doing to enjoy the week, like take a picture and post it to the group. Like, it's important that people get away from this screen, and get out and enjoy life. That's why we do this, so we don't have to, do everything else. It's like, this is only so much. We do it for what's out there, living, being free, spending time with our family and the people we care about. So thank you for sharing that. What I'm going to do right now is I am going to post your name in our Facebook group, Man from Yellow. And you'll probably just have to take a screenshot of your YouTube so I know it's you. But message me on Facebook, send me your Bitcoin wallet, and I'm going to say, Bitcoin winner of the day. Bam! Thank you so much for your contribution. Thank you for being a valued member of our community. And I truly do appreciate everyone being a viewer of this channel right now. Again, if this is your first time tuning in, let me tell you a secret, baby. In the hood, they call me Santa Claus because I always come bearing gifts. And every day is Thanksgiving, because every day we eat together and we break bread as a family, right? #1 Bitcoin group in the world, 11,000 members, going strong, getting larger and larger every day. An awesome group of mods, that really take care of the wall, make sure we don't get no pump and dumps, no trolls, no spam coins, none of that BS, just straight, honest wisdom. That guy up there is like, he costing a lot of people a lot of money. Your boy jump on there once in a while, bam, bam, just dance on it like Diddy, and then I jump off. So it's really cool. Come join us. The doors are always open. But now we want to get on our trade for the day. And again, this is going to be a quick video. What we're looking at getting is AR. Which one? Which one, you guys? Which one? ARDOR. Ardor. Hold the door. So that's what we go do. This one is a solid coin, you guys. What I'm gonna do right now is I am going to buy some on HIT BTC, ARDR BTC for our 100-day challenge, right? So I go to Bitcoin, categorized by name. Since it's an A, I'll hit it one more time. ARDR. Bam, bam. You can see it's down 6% on Bitcoin. And I want to get a market order. And I want to spend 0.01. 0.01 Bitcoin. Buy it. 270. Bam! And it's just that easy to get paid. Let's go ahead and jump on these charts so we could see why we did that. And you'll see this chart is a classic retracement, you guys. And this is a full cycle reset. You can see that lightning struck way back over here, yonder, right? Somewhere in there. And it just been waving. It was waving for a while. But now, and I actually wanted this thing, right? So we broke out over there. Boom. And this is a full cycle reset, which means we actually broke out of the money zone and we came down to that 236. But that's good in a way, because that means, look at that white line. Look at the white though. The white has basically done a complete parabola, which means like this thing is like fully recovered, which means the next time it breaks out, it very well could give us something that looks just like that, right? It very well could do that. Once this thing resets fully, it's like it took a nap, it went to bed. You know, you got to go to bed at night. Well, we could very well be seeing something like that. Maybe not to that scale. It might be something more like there, right? So, long story short, this thing has reset out of the cycle, out of the breakthrough, but with the fractals, they follow the path of least resistance, which is to continue moving in the direction that they just came from, right? So, I think it's a great buy down here at 31.20. We just picked some up on HIT BTC. I think that's a pretty decent little website. The market is kind of volatile. Not that many people use it. But that's an advantage in itself, because if you place a limit order, you know, under one of those walls, then bam, you pick that thing up down at the ground floor. Nobody else is going to get it that cheap, right? So sometimes you use the what people describe as flaws to your benefit. That's one of the reasons I like it. I know how to chart. I know where the limits are. I put my limit 80% at the bottom. I'm scraping it up, you know, just getting probably 30% profit on my buy. Mainly because HIT BTC, I'm able to reach those lower limits that bittrex can't, right? Poloniex can't. So that's why I use it. I'll include a link in the description for you guys. As I said, this is just a clean setup. A lot of coins are looking like this right now, to where we broke out up to the 1.6. You know, we came back down to the 236. They say in charting, traditional forex charting, if you could buy on this level, then this is actually your most probable level to be profitable, right? For me, using my method, I prefer to buy up here, but you can see we were banging around there for a while and we couldn't break out, mainly because that white was screaming down, and that's as a result of coming all the way up here. Whereas if we would have just settled right there, more than likely we would have been able to consolidate here and we would have broke out. But since we went all the way up there, we had to come back down here. But it's all inevitable. It's all a cycle, right? This is just on a longer cycle. This is almost like Ethereum. Ethereum went all the way up and came all the way down. Some coins go up a little bit, come down a little bit, and keep going a lot faster. So that's it. That's it, guys. That's all I got. You know, early in the morning, coffee still warm. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your Friday. I'm coming back on in about 6 hours, 8 hours. to air my interview, actually to do our weekly review with the four horsemen: Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Neo. So look forward to that. Thank you for your time today. I don't like taking too much time on weekends. I believe people should get out and enjoy your life, right? We trade our lives for a bi-weekly paycheck right now. Well, that's going to change pretty soon enough, but you know, enjoy your life, enjoy your time, enjoy your Friday. Thank you for joining us. Bossofbitcoin.com. If you want to check out the products we have, you know, I don't want to start screaming and gassing anything up, but we got a couple products on there. They're pretty good. You know, they made some people some money. So if you're interested in that, you click on shop. We got the profit package. This thing is up pretty good. Mover shakers and money makers, really the major power coins in the market. $25. Dream Team. You know, this is the next generation. This thing is up 800% since August using the boss method. So another solid list. And then a one-on-one meeting deposit. If you wanted to get some FaceTime with me, just sit down, go through your portfolio, your strategy, you know, you can do that as well. So you click that, the meeting's in the description, and then you'll have a link to my calendar, right? So with that being said, let's go to, I'm going to do the shout outs at night too. I just like the mornings to be quick. That way we ain't on here all day, and plus I'm 15 minutes late for a one-on-one. So with that being said, I got to go. If you want to shout your country out, do it in the comments for me. I appreciate it. I respond to every single one. I'm late for a meeting right now, so I got to jump off of here. But thank you so much for watching this. If you appreciate this kind of content, like, comment, share. If you don't, hit that red button. God bless you, be on your way. But if you do, you got a lot to look forward to. With that being said, it's that time of the day signing off. This the boss, your boy BK. No matter where you stay, Brazil, the Bay of California, all the way out through Germany. Good night, good morning, and good day. Till we meet again, stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.